Using Adobe Premiere, you can expand or contract an audio track. First, select your track. Now go to the Essential Sound panel. Then select Target Duration and change the setting to whatever length you're hoping to extend or contract the track to. In just a few seconds, you'll see the length of your timeline audio will have changed to approximately your desired length. If you look closely at your audio on your timeline, you'll notice there are a few zigzags that have been added, and that is where the times have been extended. Here you can see the original timeline and the new updated audio on the timeline next to one another and see the difference. Well, there you go. The future was yesterday.
Why have you been listening to Crooked Mike's podcast? I'm going to make it as illegal as TikTok.